In this video, I will show you how to create an HTML sitemap and preview directly inside the editor. So search this plugin, Simple Sitemap. Create a responsive HTML sitemap. So install, then activate this plugin. After installation, click on Allow and Continue. Here you will see this page, Welcome to Simple Sitemap. Here are some options and choice. First one, create an HTML sitemap page. The first thing to do is to create a new page that you want to display the sitemap on. Then enter a page title sitemap. So copy this one and walk cursor to new page and new page. Title sitemap. Click on this plus icon to add a block. Search sitemap. Select simple sitemap. Then click on publish. And there are some more options. Again, click on plus icon, search, and now this time select simple sitemap group. So here you will see all post as category. Then click on update. Now view this page. So as we can see, we have this good looking HTML sitemap. So thanks for watching, and please share, like, and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.